Essentials of instructional design. Design and development of learning materials. In the previous session, we learned about the importance of analysis in instructional design. Instructional designers use analysis to determine the best suited instructional intervention for their learners. The next step is to create the learning materials, beginning with setting learning goals and objectives. The natural question arises as to what is the difference between a goal and an objective? Aren't they the same? Well, they are both similar in the sense that they describe the intended purpose and expected results of instructional interventions. However, they are different in the levels of specificity and timeframes. A learning goal is a clear but general statement that defines the intended purpose of a training program. Learning goals are the long-term end results of a training program. Example, understand the 8 parts of speech in the English language. A learning objective, on the other hand, is a specific, measurable competency that the learners would be able to demonstrate upon completion of the instruction. In fact, multiple learning objectives are established from a single learning goal. They describe the short-term tasks that the learners would be able to do to achieve the learning goal. Example, at the end of this session, the learners will be able to state the definition of nouns, adjectives, and verbs, identify nouns, adjectives, and verbs, use nouns, adjectives, and verbs in a sentence. Setting clear learning goals and objectives is critical to designing and developing effective learning experiences. Once the goals and objectives are set, the next step is to organize instructional activities. A design document or curriculum detailing the learning goals and objectives, concepts to be covered, and the methods of content delivery is created. The design document chunks the content into smaller pieces and arranges them in a logical sequence. Depending on the nature of the training program, whether it is an instructor-led program, an online self-paced training program, or a webinar, the content is usually delivered as self-paced videos, student workbooks, reference guides, discussions and activities, assignments, cheat sheets, assessments, projects. Learning materials, as required, will be carefully crafted to enhance the learning experience. The developed content is reviewed to eliminate preventable bugs and improve learning experiences. This was about the design and development of learning materials. We'll be back with more soon.